Welcome to Conversations. I'm your host, Mel McKay. On today's program, I'm first joined by Mona Atiya Shirk, Vice President of the Programs at Hively. Hively is a very special nonprofit whose mission is to provide meaningful connections for families and children to thrive. Mona, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure.
Oh, it's a pleasure. Now, for those of our viewers who are unfamiliar with Hively, can you give us some background about your organization?
Absolutely. Hively has been a nonprofit organization since 1976. Wow. Next year, we'll be celebrating our 50th anniversary, and we're very excited because we've been serving Alameda County for over 50 years, and we're just really glad that we're here showcasing that with you.
You're part of the family. That's huge.
That's right.
How many people in the Tri-Valley do you serve a year, and is it increasing from year to year?
Okay, so we served about 3,800 children this last fiscal year. But only 800 of those children are actually Tri-Valley families. Mm-hmm. And what would be something to note is that there's 9,600 children that are eligible for child care services in the Tri-Valley. And so we'd like to get the message out to those families.
They're going to be kicking themselves when they realize that this was there all along.
Absolutely.
And they just didn't know about it. So, talking about some of your services, why do they need to know about Hively, and what can you provide them to help them with their kids?
Hively is a one-stop hub for resources for families. And so it's incredible that we can provide you with mental health services, with resources, basic essential needs, and also child care referrals. So not only do we pay for subsidized child care, but we can also give you child care referrals, and they're free. So personalized with, going where you work or where you live, we can make sure that we cater those child care referrals for families.
That is huge. I just can't even imagine how hard it is to be juggling child care on top of a busy schedule where you're probably commuting over an hour each way to work as well.
That's right.
There's a lot on parents here in the Tri-Valley.
That's right.
Now, Pleasanton has a family resource center. So
yes.
Tell us about the center and the child care programs. We talked about that and how they benefit the children and, of course, their families who don't have to be so stressed about where their kiddos are.
It's amazing that we have this resource center for families that they can just stop by. We have staff that speaks 26 different languages, so we reflect our community, and we make sure that we can provide the basic essential needs to families. We can tell them about access to child care, free subsidies. We can also assist them if they need mental health services, and then also Covered California, where we are an enroller for healthcare services for Covered California.
I think that one-stop hub reference was pretty spot on, Mona.
That's right.
I mean, that's a lot of stuff. Now, we actually work in the same building. KKIQ and Hively are in the same building in Pleasanton, and I see your crew bringing in all kinds of stuff, and I peek through the window and I see them putting gift bags together in the conference room. Right. Tell us a little bit more about the behind-the-scenes stuff that your staff does to provide these services.
What's so wonderful is that we've got this hive on wheels. And so we go out to the community, and we are out there distributing 30,000 diapers last fiscal year, books, early education resources, and so we're out there at the community events. So we were at the Livermore Rodeo.
Oh, yes.
And then we were at the Dublin the event, I can't think of the event.
They have so many.
I know,
You're out
but
and about
we're
is the
out
point.
and about, and you can check our website to see where we're going next.
Perfect. Now, we've talked about mental health a couple of times, and I think it is so important, and that topic has become even larger post-pandemic era. Please tell us about the mental health counseling services that you provide, and who is eligible. Do you counsel the children as well?
Yes, so from toddlers to teens to adults, which is amazing.
Oh, I'd be such a different person if I was in counseling since I was a toddler.
It's amazing, and we have services at our Pleasanton location, Oakland, and San Leandro. We accept Medi-Cal and also private pay. We have licensed family therapist, marriage therapist, and also we have licensed clinical trainees that are supervised that do the services.
This is fantastic. So where do our viewers go to learn about all of the programs and to assist you with volunteering or donations?
Go to our website, behively.org, and that is a place where you can donate, or you can also come and volunteer. And so please go to our website and join the Hive.
Behively.org. That is so great.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Well, stick around after the break. We're going to hear about a celebration you won't want to miss in Dublin.